In this video, I'll show you how to add phone number to Discord. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, if you want to add phone number to your Discord, what you're going to do right now, head over to your Discord. Once here on your Discord, you're going to click right here, right? This is the settings. Once it has opened up, you can see from this your account, you can see your display name, your username, your email. So if you have not added a phone number, what you're going to do right now, you're going to click on this add right here, right? So you're going to enter your phone number. You're going to select your country, any of them. So because this is basically a tutorial video, I'm not going to add my phone number, my personal phone number right here, right? So I'm just showing you guys what you need to do. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for hanging around on this video. I'm going to see you guys in the very next one.